All right, so got the GoPro on. I got the bike pretty much not all the way stripped, but I've taken off what I plan on taking off. I've got the headers off, I've got the coolant drained, I've got the battery out of it, and fuel tank plastics, all of that. So like I said, I'm going to pull the airbox, mufflers, and subframe all and throttle body off in one piece. This cable right here, this wire on the right side of this, I can't think of the name right now, it goes to the starter. You're going to either want to take it off at the starter, which is fine, or you can take it off right here. I'm going to take it off right here, and then you're going to cut the zip tie, or it's a reusable zip tie. You can see this, and then you can make sure you disconnect all your ECM, rectifier, and all that, so that you don't rip nothing out when you try to pull the subframe off. And then as far as cables go over here, I'm trying to use my phone to make sure that everything is still in line, because I hate this head strap. This head strap could go to hell. Let's see. I'm going to need a flathead and a 10mm wrench. I think I only need one wrench. So I'm kind of working on two toolboxes right now. The US General box over there is for a trailer. All right, don't do no funny business. I'm gonna set you down right there. But yeah, make sure you have the battery disconnected before you start messing with this. Don't be stupid. The last thing you want to do is leave that battery connected and ground something out right here and weld a wrench to the frame. And once you get this out, I recommend putting this bolt back, because you do not want to lose that. Just put it back in that rig. And then we're going to try and get this, looks like a reusable zip tie, but if not, I'll cut it and put my own. That's what we're going to do. But while we're here, disconnect the ECM, which you just push that down right there. Don't pull by the wires unless you want to, then that's on you. Got that out. Now there's going to be a few more down there that we need to try and pull out. And get this one off right here, wherever the hell it is. Oh, it just pops out. We're gonna slide it out then. Damn. All right, we're gonna take it off too, it looks like, right here. Gotta figure out how to do that right quick. I've never messed with any of these e-start bikes, so this is gonna be a learning experience for both of us. Look around. There it is right there. Yep. Oh, gosh. Also, remember how these cables are routed too. You're going to want to remember that. Damn, you know what I could have done? I'm gonna take this positive cable off, and we can just do not, if you follow this, I will be right back. Okay, so what I just did, I just took the inside cable off right here, and that's your positive for the battery. But like I said, you're gonna want to put this back. So what that just did, that freed up this block right here. I'm not block, but Oh. Gotta be a dick. Don't forget where that went. It went down in that damn frame. So we'll have to get it whenever we get the damn motor out of it. Alright. So we got that. I'm going to unplug this anyway. You just squeeze that right there and pull. Just go ahead and get out of the damn way. I'm going to put it back where it came from. It goes right there. Just like that. The crankcase vent hose, take it off the valve cover. About knocked the bike off the stand again. The rectifier, which is this thing right here, it's got to come off. So you gotta take the ECM to get it off. Like so. A lot of money right here. If you parting out a bike, you can get a lot of money for the ECM. So now that we got that off, we can take these two 8mm bolts off so that we can get to the harness for the rectifier. Like I said, it's two 8mm. Gosh damn, that's tight, man. Fucking idiot put this thing together. I'm gonna do the same thing here too. I'm gonna put this back just like I found it. So that nothing comes up missing. Anything was missing because it was missing before I started working on it. I dropped that damn, oh never mind, it's in my pocket. Spacer loose. Don't forget about that 10mm bolt that fell out of there. Take this off. You're gonna need a flat head. Push down in the center and pull. Damn E-Start Hondas. Okay. It's all the electrical. Oh damn. And then you're going to take off the plug that comes from the stator. Forgot about that. You can follow this wire, it's right here. It's gonna be bolted to the back of the cylinder head. You're gonna follow it up to this pin connector right here. There's a clip on the inside of this little H-shaped thing. You're gonna want to pull it that way. While you're doing that, you can pull it out like so. Bam. Engine. And then there's a cylinder, your water temperature sensor is gonna be in the back of the head. That doesn't have to come off right now. So now I'm going to get a flat head or a Phillips and loosen the clamp on the throttle body to the cylinder head, and then try and take the subframe off, and then we'll be able to see what is still left on there to take off. Now, like I said, some dickhead. Yeah, 10mm bolts on this side and 12 on this side. Branding motocross, guys. Branding motocross. Oh. There's a little bit of me that time. Now I need the 12. Ouch. This Honda mechanic, not me. Look at this job right here. That washer and all kinds of shit. Now tell me, does that look legit to you? Stupid, man. Ignorant, ignorant, ignorant. Now I'm going to put these motor mount bolts back in the motor mount. just so that they don't come up missing. To say I'm nervous, to say I'm not nervous would be a lie, because there's a lot of electronics on these new bikes, man. Oh, damn it. Left the screwdriver over here on the table. I need a hey boy. Oh. Are you kidding me? Alright. I'm gonna stop the video until I get the subframe ready to pull off, and then I will crank the video back up. This guy right here is coming in handy. Big ass screwdriver. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, forgot to mention throttle cables on the throttle body. And if your bike came from some idiots, your Allen key that holds the throttle Allen head bolt that holds the throttle cover on is going to be fried. Just like the rest of the Allens on this bike, they're round, okay? You just about need a vice grip to get that off. So the cable on the bottom is going to go to the bottom, and then it's going to, I don't know how well you can see, but you can't. It's going, the two cable things are going to be facing the back. Bottom cable is going to roll around to the bottom hole. Take it off right there. It's going to be a pain in the ass, I can already tell you now. Gosh damn. There we go, got the bottom one out. The top one's going to be the booger bear. You're going to want to take your throttle assembly off the handlebars. There we go, got them both. That was easy. Now you're going to want to tend to back those off, those two nuts. How well y'all can see that. You're going to want to back those off, and then the cables are going to slide out. So yeah, and then I'll pick all back up after I get done with that. Okay, so getting ready to pull the subframe off. You know, don't lose those bolts for sure. As far as the subframe goes, just slips right off if you have everything undone. Which 9 times out of 10 you're not going to, man, so get ready to have some issues. Oh shit. Alright, that's exactly what I figured. You're gonna want to put the bike on something. There's all kinds of shit that's still hooked up. Damn. This blue one, I don't know. That's the throttle position sensor. This is like injector power or something like that. Gotta come unplugged. Or this is where the help would come in, right here. Because now that you've taken the subframe off and you still got stuff hooked up, you can't move. Being ignorant. Being ignorant. I'll be back.